Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to convert your image in Ghibli style for free by using ChatGPT. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, tap on ChatGPT, tap on this icon, tap on photos, select photo here, tap on add, type here, make this photo Ghibli, tap on upload icon. Please wait, getting started. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Now you see Ghibli image is ready. Tap on save to save this image. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.